Solve WhatsApp chat backup problem on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let me guide you to fix WhatsApp chat backup problem on Android. Without further ado, let's get started. So the reason behind these issues are different like slow internet connection, large media files, Google Drive sync issues and many more. So in order to fix it, first you need to head towards WhatsApp, then cancel and restart backup. So when backup get stuck, you need to tap three dots at top right, head to the settings, scroll down, tap on chats, navigate to chat backup, and simply tap on the X icon next to it to cancel if you are backing up. And once done, you need to again back up and we'll see whether your backup will stuck or not. If that doesn't help, you need to simply make sure you have a strong Wi Fi instead of mobile data. You need to make sure to restart your router or switch networks if needed. Next, ensure you have enough space in Google Drive and phone storage to check. Open settings on your Android device. Scroll down to the bottom of your screen. Navigate to About device. Select Storage at top right and you can see only 2 GB has been left on your device. This might be the reason why there is issues while backing up your chats. Make sure you delete unnecessary WhatsApp media from your phone. Next, you need to clear WhatsApp cache. Long press on app icon and tap on I button. This will lead you to app info page. Tap storage uses and tap clear cache. Update WhatsApp from Google Play Store and if nothing works, uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp, then try again. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.